Hello everyone, thank you for this opportunity so that we can meet in here. We also say thank you to Mrs. Delamari as English lecturer and all of our friends. Today we will present our presentation about eco-enzyme. Before we present about eco-enzyme, let me introduce the member of this group. The member of this group consists by the first one is Aisya Rahmadini with the last student number is 211, and the second one is Isna Nur Rokhaniyah with the last student number is 229, and the third one is Gabriella, Joanna, Felita, with the last student number is 236. And then I will introduce what the meaning of eco-enzyme. Eco-enzyme is a liquid that has many benefits from household organic waste that come from the waste of product raw fruit and vegetables, which are then processed by fermentation for future use in everyday life, with the innovation of using organic household waste. If implemented massively, it will be able to reduce environmental pollution. Ecoenzyme was developed by Dr. Rosukon Pongsantorn, founder of the Thai Organic Farming Association, which has conducted research since the 1980 and was later introduced more widely by Dr. John On. And the next slide will be presented by Isna Nur Rokhaniyah.
Okay, thank you, Gabriella. I will continue to explain this presentation. Why are we making an eco-enzyme? What inspired us to introduce this product to everyone is that many around us don't know about how to control pests without damaging the surrounding environment. An eco-enzyme. What that we need before we are making an eco-enzyme is a closed tank or a plastic container or mineral water gallon is to store the garbage, and then the bioreactor is equipped with a hose or channel the gas produced. The next is how to make eco-enzyme, approximately 10 liters. First, organic fruits and veggies waste, peel, and skin need to be collected approximately 3 kg for 10 liters of liquid. The second, before pouring all organic waste, the waste needs to be cleaned. The next water is prepared in a container and should be tap water, and a kilogram of solid brown sugar needs to be cut into discs before poured into the water. The next is we need to stir the water evenly until it gets brown. And the next is the comparison for organic waste, molasses, and water should be 3 kg, 1 kg, and 10 liters. And the next is after it gets brown and darker, the organic waste should be poured into the water and close the lid tightly. In the end, the fermentations will be start after the lid is closed for 90 days. And the next topic it was organic waste should be used. Organic waste or biodegradable waste, commonly from living organisms, either plants or animals. Examples include such as food waste, human waste, sewage, manure, green waste, biodegradable plastic, slaughterhouse waste. And the next topic will be explained by Aisya.
All right, everyone. So the benefits from the ecoenzyme that we discussed earlier is that it can deal with various pest problems without damaging surrounding crops, improving environmental quality, and increasing crop yields. So the benefits that we can get is that it can improve the quality of the air surroundings, and it can also enrich soil. It can also improving the quality of taste and fruits and vegetables that you can grow. So it can be much more sweeter, much more bigger, much more juicier than before. And it can also keep the plants, it can also repel annoying plants, or as we can say in Indonesia, gulma. and pests around the house. So pests like rodents and some insects and even the nematodes don't like the enzyme because of the smell and the acidity that can damage their body like that. So that's why it can repel annoying pests. You can see, here, a bit of a droplets here. Maybe you can't see, but well, it's a few droplets of Eco-Enzyme on the bottle lid. So here we can only pour the few droplets on the spray bottle that is full of water. So here, carefully. Okay, that's a few droplets. Now we can close it. I don't know how many milliliters in this spray bottle, but I can say so 15 milliliters. So it's 15 milliliters of water and a few droplets, so it's around 0.05 milliliters of Eco-Enzyme that we can apply to this 15 milliliters of water spray bottle. But not only for plants, Eco-Enzyme can also heal our wounds, like this kind of wound here, if you can see my thumb. Here, you can see my thumb here. So we can apply it to our skin like this. We can only spray it like a few times, like that. Now, if we do a routine, either to our plants or to our skin, I'm sure of it that we can. I'm sure of it that it can also heal the wounds. It can also improving our skin health, our facial health, and it can also enrich and many other good things, plants and our skin. Okay, continue. Our target market. Our target market can be everyone who developed home garden and farmers on a big scale. Why? Because of many benefits that can be obtained from eco-enzymes. We are expecting the whole community, maybe a whole village, or even better, a whole town. We're expected to try and practice for the manufacture of this eco-enzyme here. So that there is no accumulation of waste and can also take part in environmental conservation. So we can take all of the organic plant-based waste, and if we can combine it with molasses and water, and we should keep it in fermentation for around 90 days, I'm sure of it. It can bring us people many benefits that we can get to improving our daily lives, to improving our business. Yeah, you can even, as you can see, this eco-enzyme has been stored for more than 90 days. It can be 100, but I don't know. I can't count the days. It really stored for too long. All right. In conclusion, Eco-Enzyme is a liquid enzyme that is made of organic food waste, molasses, and water with fermentation process that it has been kept for around 90 days or even more. Eco-enzyme can be a fertilizer and pesticide in the same time with the right amount. I think that's all for us today. Thank you for your attention. We were expecting that you try this product. If there's any mistakes that we've done, I'm so sorry. We're deeply sorry for the mistakes that we done. Right. See you next time, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.